Get ready for a heavy dose of adrenaline. We're taking a close-up look at the biggest, baddest, and most powerful forestry machines on the planet. These beasts are a force to be reckoned with, and you're about to see them in action. This is no joke, people. The CID Forestry Disc Mulcher is a game changer. It chews through 4-inch diameter material like it's nothing. And those 8-inch trees? Forget about it. This machine is a beast. With replaceable teeth and a powerful engine, it's ready for anything you throw at it.
Let's face it, we can't control everything. Mother Nature has her own plans.
This cedar isn't just a tree, it's a monster, a living monument to nature's power. Watching the lumberjack bring down the 200-year-old hollowed-out giant was breathtaking. Their skill in wrapping chains around the ancient trunk to prevent it from shattering showed true craftsmanship. Knowing the tree had died long before the saw touched it made the scene even more powerful. Paired with the FG45 felling grapple, which cuts and moves massive trees with ease, they make forestry look smooth and lightning fast, like a perfectly synchronized machine in action.
Check out this 1947 Ford 2N. Tough, reliable, and ready to handle tough jobs. With a 4-cylinder engine pushing about 28 horsepower, it's perfect for pulling stumps or handling tough work. Its simple, rugged design makes it easy to operate and maintain. Just make sure your chain placement is correct and stay safe while working. Ready to pull stumps. Just mind your chain placement and stay safe.
Okay. Really tall trees too.
That back cut alone was a recipe for disaster. A proper face notch would have given him control, preventing the tree from barber chairing. And for crying out loud, never wrap the rope around your limbs. He's lucky that bucket didn't come crashing down. Amateurs need to remember, a wedge cut is essential for guiding the fall. This is why you leave it to the pros. 21-meter reach and elevated cab make it ideal for efficient, safe operations in demanding environments.
I wonder if these are professional tree surgeons or stunt doubles for Tarzan. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get wild. These Asian drivers, they're fearless. No challenge is too big, no lane is too narrow. They'll make you scream OMG and no way in the same breath. Drama, baby, drama. Felling a tree is a serious undertaking. It's not just about grabbing a saw and going to town. A meticulous approach is crucial, with each step carefully planned and executed.
Here it comes.
That's one massive dug fir. 7 feet across, huh? Sadly, advanced decay's taken hold, but the base might still harbor some usable timber. Heavy conch growth and rot halfway up. Nature's reclaiming it, but hey, it went out with a bang. The saying, it's the tree that decides how it falls. This is where the legendary loggers work, and this is the machinery they use to get the job done. Man, those guys were amazing. They were so skilled and worked together seamlessly. Seeing them in action, making sure everyone was safe and sound, was truly inspiring. It made me realize that even a task like removing a tree requires careful consideration and respect for the environment. We need to be mindful of the impact we have on nature. These guys were definitely lucky, because not every... You know, it's not just about having a beast of a truck to conquer those tough roads. It's about the person behind the wheel, their skill, their experience. Put those two together, and bam, you've got a winning combination. This Pacific is an absolute beast. It has so much torque, I'm surprised the Earth isn't slipping out from under it. We need to strategically remove them to ensure clear sight lines and prevent potential accidents. Whoa! Felling a leaning giant like that is a real process, isn't it? I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, just wondering who'd be brave enough to take it down. Then an awesome crew shows up, smiles all around, and they just handle it like it's nothing. The image is forever etched in my mind. It's tough to say if they know what they're doing or not.
Here we go. Coming down. Coming down. This guy here. There we go.
Whoa, check out how they handle those branches. It's not as easy as it looks. See how the climber adjusts to the helicopter's movement? That's crucial with those big machines and unpredictable winds. Safety first. And watch that smooth exit when the load drops. Textbook. Redwood forests, strategic thinning is crucial. This allows younger, more vigorous trees to flourish. Now that's what I call high-flying delivery. Gotta hand it to them, that's one way to make an entrance. But seriously, who's in such a hurry for that lumber? Maybe they're building a treehouse for a VIP. Barber chairs. The silent killer. Don't underestimate them. Newbie or pro, you've been warned. You know, back in my day, you rarely saw women in logging. It takes guts and grit. I have a lot of respect for these ladies who are paving the way for future generations. This is why you need to have proper safety gear. Folks, rural road safety is crucial. Overgrown trees, especially those old giants, within 30 meters of the road pose a serious hazard. We need to strategically remove them to ensure clear sight lines and prevent potential accidents. Region forests is notable, challenging preconceptions about Chinese excavators. The inclusion of the forest cart, full protection package, and automatic fire extinguisher mitigates risk and enhances operational efficiency. Long-term durability will be a key factor in determining its ultimate viability. Woodcracker L700. The ultimate wood crushing machine. Check out this massive 700mm jaw and 22 tons of crushing force. It's made from indestructible hard-ox steel, and it's super easy to use. Alright folks, dealing with a giant silver maple like this ain't a walk in the park. You absolutely need a pro crew with the right equipment. We're talking cranes, chippers, the whole 9 yards. Safety's paramount, and these guys have the know-how to get it done right. It's a classic case of underestimating the situation. A moment of inattention can lead to disaster. Check this out. Instead of the usual heavy equipment, this person used their truck to pull out a stubborn stump. But the real genius lies in how they tied the rope. Way up high on the tree. That's what gave them the extra oomph to get the job done. Pretty smart, huh? What do you think?
What do you think of these moments? We'd love to hear your thoughts and any suggestions for improvement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch our latest videos.